This ticker symbol GDSI. Each candle represents 1 day of trading. So it was a good day today for GDSI. As you can see here, it was trading below the middle Bollinger Band, which is this dotted green or dotted purple line at 0.0019, and it was trading below EMA 4 and EMA 8 resistance. As you can see, it was trending sideways and riding this resistance line. Today it broke out above those levels, closing above all three. GDSI also closed above this red horizontal resistance line and this red descending resistance line. As you can see, the two lines are intersecting here. Now this is called a flex point or the T-spot. It's where two resistance levels meet. As you can see, this was resistance from back here in August. You draw a line, keeps going down. So the close above both levels was very bullish and should signal more upside potential. On a pullback, the first level of support is going to be this three-way junction here between the upper Bollinger Band at 0.0031 and these two red lines. If those levels break, the next levels of support are EMA 4 at 0.0025 and EMA 8 at 0.0022. What bulls want to see is an uptrend starting. They want to see candles forming above the middle Bollinger Band and EMAs 4 and 8. So let's take a look up here at Fasto. Fasto was much lower earlier in the day when this chart was made. We posted a chart on the website when GDSI was up around 57% at about 9:30 or so Pacific Standard Time this morning. We mentioned it in the chat a little bit before that when it was up in the 40% range. So as you can see, it was made a huge intraday gain. And the technicals ended up closing up above 80 here on Fasto, which is the overbought power zone, quote unquote. If you look back here, that was the highest close since July, so that was huge. Very powerful move. That this does mean that it's at a high range. We have to watch out for being overbought. We look over up here at RSI, that ended up closing above 50, which is 50 to 70 is the quote unquote bull zone. And this was the highest close for RSI since all the way back here in the first week of August. So that really shows strength is building. That wasn't just that there was a big move and a big percentage gain, but if you look down here at volume, you'll see this monster volume spike. Look how it's much bigger than any of the other volume bars. This shows you there was a lot of money behind the move, especially when you look at the close. The close was near the high of day, so there wasn't a lot of selling into the close. It closed very strong on very strong volume. The saying is volume precedes price, so we'll be keeping an eye out for a new uptrend starting. If you look here on the first day of October, the GDSI closed above the middle Bollinger Band, but failed to turn that level into support, pulled back, and continued the sideways trend. Now, if you look here, we've got multiple bottoms at this 0.0012 range. So that is the key level to hold on a pullback, major support level. If that level does break on a pullback, it will equal considerable downside risk. But yeah, so there's a possible new uptrend starting. If you look down here at MACD, you'll see that there was a bullish crossover here on the third week of September, and MACD has been trending up since then. So MACD is looking bullish. We got a very nice move. This was the OTC play of the day. As always, we follow the volume. This had very big money flow earlier in the day, and that triggered our alert. And then we quickly posted a chart to alert our followers. So yeah, thank you for viewing this chart, and yeah, we look forward to having many more charts for you in the future. Thank you.